Dear colleagues, a very happy and fulfilling Women's Day to you. As very rightly said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, to awaken the people, it is the woman who must be awakened. Once she is on the move, the family moves, the village moves, the nation moves. Women have been central to the grand vision of New India. As rightly stated by our Honorable Prime Minister, our country needs not just women development, but women-led development that makes women the leading force of our development trajectory. Accordingly, it is essential to focus on comprehensive women empowerment, as it is the tool to strengthen women's participation in decision making, which is the most important key for the socio-economic development of the country. Improving the knowledge and economic status of women have their own inherent value, but it is also beneficial to society as a whole, as it leads to increased tax revenues, economic growth, and poverty reduction. It is undeniable that women empowerment in the corporate world has a crucial direct impact on the economic growth and simultaneous national development. Globally, the Sustainable Development Goals have put gender equality at the heart of the international agenda. SDG 5, Achieve Gender Equality and Empower All Women and Girls, tackles structural obstacles to gender equality. Additionally, gender equality is included in targets under several other SDGs. Over the years, more and more women have been equally strengthening the profile of accountancy profession in India with their skill and acumen. Today, ICAI can boast of women comprising almost 27% of total membership, and girl students comprise of more than 46% share of active students. As on date, there are more than 87,000 active women chartered accountants. Empowerment of women members has always been the focus area of the Institute, which constituted a dedicated committee, Women Members Empowerment Committee, in the year 2014-15 to address the pertinent issues related to professional upliftment of women chartered accountants. Through this dedicated Women Member Empowerment Wing, ICAI has been taking several measures to develop capacities of ICAI's women members to effectively utilize their professional knowledge and expertise. Women can be Indian accountancy profession's competitive advantage if they are brought to the fore and core of our profession. Some basic limitations related to the women professionals, like inflexible working practices, family and work-life balance, are being actively addressed by ICAI through Women Empowerment Committee. There are a plethora of professional opportunities for women chartered accountants, and we are committed to work towards helping them achieve their potential. I suggest all of you to be more proactive and take charge of your careers through voicing your concerns, being networked and visible, and taking advantage of leadership development training and seeking coaches and mentors. Ours is a very dynamic profession where we have to keep in touch with the changing laws and new legislations. ICAI, being the premier accounting body, is dedicated towards providing an enabling environment for women members to succeed with confidence at all fronts. For the same, we will ensure to undertake various capacity building initiatives and skill building activities for the betterment of our women members. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day again. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.